So I think it was Marianne Williamson who said that the thing that's worse than failing is failing again or making the same mistake again. And I think as a human being, you probably understand me when I say that sometimes things kind of trigger you and make you relive your trauma. And I know a lot of people lately are talking about trauma and how to heal your trauma. The interesting thing is that that has led me to a feeling of disappointment because when I think I've made a whole bunch of work, boom, it will happen again. And I'm reading this book right now called Welcome Home. It's an amazing book. I'll link it below if you'd like. And here's what she says about trauma, which really resonated with me. I did not heal from my trauma by understanding what happened at a logical, conscious level. My trauma still shows up in my life. My healing means that I am aware of it. Making sense of trauma does not mean you won't be triggered to go back to it. In fact, trauma feels like an invisible organ inside of me, separate from my heart, that in certain situations will be pain into my veins. So part of self-forgiveness and healing is accepting the pain when it comes and not judging myself. So she really talks about how to journal and become aware of it, to recognize it when it does happen and not that it will go away forever. So huge shift in how I've been thinking about things, and I hope it helps you as well.